producer for the steppers nationwide. It's Jay Cross, Big Sweetfoot, the Line Dance King Ninja, and Big Mooch. Let's get it. Everybody's grooving.
Yo, Big Mooch down here in J Cross Studio. We down here in Shreveport, Louisiana, man. We about to get it in with this new Hotline Dance.
Okay, yeah, for sure, man. We got a new joint. Right now, it's just in the making. Once we get this thing finished, we're gonna give it a name. But right now, it's some heat. I got my boy in the studio with me, Big Mooch. He blessing me. I got my boy G Brown behind the camera.
G Brown.
So D Brown.
Yeah, what it do, your boy G Brown here with Jay Cross, you know what I'm saying? Big Mooch about to make it hot for y'all boys. About to bring the Louisiana Flap to the music game, aka the Line Dance game. Let y'all know, man, we coming for you.
I'm gonna get in with Big Mooch right now. Get him on this track. Thank you for the blessing, Big Mooch.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for the blessing. The Line Dance King, the Line Dance King Ninja. Thank you for the blessing, man. He working on something right now. He doing big business, so he couldn't be here. Shout out to Big Shreveport. He couldn't be here. They all on. Everybody doing big business, but hey, this is what it is, man. We gotta work.
Big Moochie, baby. Hey, y'all know how we get it in. Line dance a two-step and out here with my friends. Jay Cross came sick on the beat. And Ninja made the move so y'all can move y'all feet.
Well, come on.
A Big Shreve, Big Mooch came to give it to you. We're the new dance and now we gonna do it to you. So get your gym shoes, come and hit the floor. Storm it on out until your feet soak. The way the sweat rags and tell all your friends. Tell the DJ to keep the song bumping. From the Post City, East, West, Cleveland. We gonna keep it hot long and to step in.